So I've now created for company A 3 participants, a facilitator and a senior, 3 participants, project champion and senior manager, and likewise for company B, I've created 5 users, and company C, I've created 5 users. One thing I did notice is that if I create another user, here, let's open that up, and let's say I assign them to a team, but I forget to set a role for them, for argument's sake. I could be putting in all of this information, etc., so on down, and then when I go back up here and save and close, it'll come, please select the role, the email, and the email field is required. And it's now gone back to my list of users, and from what I can see, I've lost the information that I've put in there. Ideally, instead of coming back to the list of users, it would, I think, should come back to the incompleted user entry screen. Okay, so now I've got my users set up, I've got the program set up, I've identified the projects in the program. So now I guess the next thing would be to assign participants to projects. So I'll go back to my program. So add participants. So I'm looking to add to this to this program. There's obviously going to be a total of 9 participants, and I do have to remember the names of the participants. Charlie Bailey's a senior manager. Sherry Holloway, Cherry Picker, is one of the participants. Now, I need to edit her learning plan at this point. I don't really want to, because I'm just putting her in as a participant at the moment. So what do I do? Save and close, save and new. Well, save and new, I've got concerns about using, so I'll just save and close, contents saved. And now I come back to a list of all of the learning plans in the universe. So that's really not that helpful. It means I've got to go back to programs, open up the program that I'm dealing with. Let's just see if, yes, Cherry Picker is a participant. So that's good. So I'll add another participant. So this is going to be a fairly lengthy process. So we've got Clive James. Colonoscopy. So you can see how long and involved that is. I'll stop the video now while I add the rest of the participants.